You can get free review generation for your cleaning business. Yes, these are real reviews from your clients. And yes, that does totally increase your search engine optimization, especially on the Google Maps area. So let's hop right into this and figure out what this is and how you can do it. It's a lot easier than you think with our system. So here we are. Basically, you upload your list with this button here. You import your contacts from an Excel file and you click on who you want to send. If you want to send everybody, once you click on the names here, there's also a button here to click to send absolutely everybody on your list. A lot of the times, though, you want to filter out who you do and don't want to send to, and there's a way to do that through the Do Not Disturb feature, or you just unselect the people that you don't want to send the messages to, and then you click this button here for sending review requests. You decide if you want to send SMS or email, and then click send reviews, and that's it. And if you want to send both, you can actually send SMS, then turn around, select them again, and click send email, and now everybody is getting your request for reviews. Now, here's the great thing, because this software is so adaptable. It's so programmable that you can decide if you want to send requests 5 times, 2 times, 3 times, just once. Probably 3 times is about average, 4 times is about average. You can decide exactly what you want to send, and you can decide exactly which links that you want to put in. So let's hop into that for just a second right here. And by the way, if you're part of the coaching club, or if you already have access to this, this is where you look at that in the left-hand sidebar, reputation, and then go to settings under reputation, and then settings, and you're looking at this. So let's just walk right through real quick. So you can either have AI respond. I don't recommend that automatically. Probably it's better if you review them, but you can decide what you want to do there, or you can turn off all AI completely. You can also decide which review links that you want to use. If you want to use Google, if you want to use Facebook, if you want to put in a third link for, I don't know, LinkedIn, Yelp, anything, you can put that in there. And if you want, you can toggle this and it'll actually give you a balance between the 3, which is really neat. Or actually in the message, you can put the review link will show up there that's selected right here, right? And it'll randomly do it if you'd like it to, but you can also put, or go review us on Facebook. I don't ever get Facebook reviews, and then you can give the link right there for your Facebook page if you'd like to do that, where you're asking for both in every single one of your messages. So there's also a customization feature here on the emails, where you go in and you ask for them to give you a review. So really, really neat to be able to do that. You can also automatically generate a QR code that lets them drop a review. You click this QR code and it goes to the same exact spot as your review. And the other neat thing is it'll actually track how many people clicked on your review. All this is just a free part of the coaching club. This is a free part that some members, that's why I'm making this video, some members might not quite realize that we have this. Now, the other really neat thing is you can also turn on spam detection, where you actually have the filters go through, and if it looks like spam, it will hold it and not send them the review. And so that's a really, really neat feature. And just kind of looking at what these emails look like, please give us a review. You can customize this to whatever you want. You click on yes, and it can go directly to your Google business page, automatically with 5 stars, and give them 5 reviews, whatever you want to do. And then showing you the text message example. This is, kind of it right here. Hi, John. This is John with Hitman Advertising. I'd love to get a review from you. You always want to say too, if you've been happy, give me a review. If not, please let me know so we can make it right. So the other great thing about this software, once you have everybody in right here, you can just as easily go and send them an email. We've got dozens of email templates already done, where all you have to do is pick the template, where you go and pick an email template, and all the emails are already done for you as well. You can also send text messages just as easily through the same system for about a penny a piece, where you click here and you click the phone number that you've got set up. There's some templates that you can use. That's it. And then you're sending a text message through the same system. Really, really neat. If you guys want to see what the review system looks like, I'll give the link here for support. Fill out the form. In the bottom here, just say that you want to see the review system or just something about review system, and then submit. That way we've got all your information, and then we will automatically send you that review system so that you can see what it looks like for yourself. If you have any questions at all, please email back from the email that you got for me or send me a text message. I'd love to hear from you and see what your thoughts are.